You suck, dude.
I drive it about as good as you do.
Negative. Hey, watch the razor, man.
Oh, what did you crash into? I don't even know.
Alright, that's enough. Tell them what's going on.
These freaking little razors are awesome. Hey, we got another one over there. Now I'm trying to figure out, I don't know. You just gotta plug it in, dude, turn it on. These little razors are sweet. But anyways, like these razors, it's just not that fast. I mean, it's quick little shit, but it ain't that fast. And I think what happens with any side-by-side owner, after a while, that stock power, man, just starts not being enough. So what do? You freaking juice it up a little bit. And that's what we got going on today. We just did the draggy, got some freaking numbers on what our stock machines are running. And so we're gonna use that as a starting grid, and we're gonna just keep adding things and see what each item takes us to. So without further ado, let's just show them what they are. Check these bad boys out, man. Straight from Evo. We got these from, actually ordered these from the side-by-side blog guys, and they got these out to us. And thank you guys for that, we appreciate it. They work on your machines, I know they're gonna work on ours, but these things are amazing. I mean, you hear people talking about the quality of these things. This thing is amazing. I mean, look at this. I mean, get in here, just look inside there. These guys are incredible. Everybody at Evo, I mean, this is amazing. And these are the Captain's Choice exhausts. So there's gonna be an electronic switch that's gonna run up into the dash. We're gonna be able to open these things up, and they're gonna be loud. They're gonna be bad to the bone, and they are just gonna be awesome. I can't freaking wait to get these on. So I got that one for this. She's gonna look good on there. And not only do we got the muffler, we got
The full
pipe. So actually, I haven't even pulled this out yet. We had these opened already because, I mean, come on. When this stuff comes, can you really wait to open them up? Look at that. That is just all the power getting through. I mean, there is no choke points. It's just gonna breathe. They're gonna breathe. That's all there is to it. So that's the one I got for mine. And then Austin, same thing, Captain's Choice exhaust, but he got it with the black shield. And I gotta be honest, that's gonna look good. Here we go. Oh my God.
She's off.
What the frick? Dude, she's a little
whack.
She is whack. Get rid of that freaking thing. Woo! Look at that. Just go straight pipe, bro.
Yep.
Just get her done. Why don't you go run it right now? You should start her up, dude. Fire it up.
Think it'd be loud?
Oh yeah, fire it up. You got a limp pipe, bro. Whoa! Give her some gas. Dude,
Straight pipe.
dude, that freaking limp pipe's got the power.
Think like that. That's good.
Dude, look at her.
Smoking.
It's like she just smoked a pack of Cools.
You have to smoke too like that.
Oh, dude. Let's get that freaking thing out of there. Oh, babe, what's up? Oh my God, this thing is freaking driving me nuts. I can't get this freaking. You like that? Abel, what'd you think of that?
Okay, so everyone's gonna hear you coming from like 10 miles away.
Yeah! Vroom, vroom, vroom.
That's ridiculous.
It's not like that all the time. There's a button. There's a freaking button. A freaking button. You can give it the juice. That's right.
That's crazy.
You get it a button. You can either tame the beast or you can unleash the beast.
Is yours coming off or not?
What's up, brother? What's going on, dude? Come to help me work on a real machine? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's Can-Am Dan.
That's right, Can-Am Dan.
Can-Am Dan, dude.
I'm not used to this. We don't have to work on ours.
That's funny shit. Oh man. Well, this is work that we want to do though. Twister McTwisterson. Dude, say what's up. This is Sean.
What up?
Dude, tell them about that freaking one bolt on the inner bend of that pipe.
So, no, it's the left top one, right?
Huh?
It's that left top, right?
Yeah, well, it's on the inside of the bend.
So the left top has about maybe a half an inch of leeway on each side. So this handy dandy tool works in there. You got to kind of hold the drill upside down or whichever one we use. We use that small compact first, but it gets her done. So.
Yeah, make sure you got a flexible freaking bit driver. Told you guys before, you know, I said I use that flexible bit driver when we do our side case. So if we have a belt blowout or something like that, also come in handy again. So dude, go get one of those, put it in your pack, keep it with you. You'll love it. It's handy, dandy. It's handy dandy. All right, so we just threw the freaking black heat cover of the freaking Evo pipe on mine just to see what it looks like with the red razor. And I don't know, I kind of feel like it disappears into the back end, but I mean, it looks hard. How much better is that looking than the freaking stock?
Way better. It's got the plastic cover.
Oh, I hope the red one looks just as good on there. That black does look good.
So the black go on his?
The black is his. Well, what's funny is when I ordered these, I ordered 2 black ones. And I started getting cold feet about it, and I was like, man, maybe I do want the red one. So I freaking called up Rick at Side by Side Blog. Well, I didn't call him, I freaking emailed him. And he's like, dude, I'm telling you right now, we put that red one on Seuss's and that thing goes hard. So I said, all right, I'll freaking switch it. So he swapped them out, gave me the red shield. And he's like, dude, if you don't like it, we'll send it back, no big deal, which is awesome. Them dude's freaking cool as hell. But dude, it looks good. I think it's going to look a hell of a lot better on his since he has the blue top and bottom, and then it just nestles in. Go ahead and swap it, dude. Let's see it.
I see what you're saying.
But I went with the red to kind of make it kind of pop out. Careful, dude. Here. Go ahead. Snug her in there, big guy. What do you think, bud? Yeah, it looks really good. Jeff, what do you think, dude?
I think it looks amazing.
Yeah, it's going hard. I'm digging it. Hey, I wouldn't bounce this around too much when it's just kind of hovering in there. Bad would that suck? That would suck. All right, hold this, dude. I gotta put mine up. I gotta see what mine looks like. Here, hold this. Do this thing. Do this thing. Do this thing. All right, you guys ready to see what this one's gonna look like?
You know what's crazy about it is, with it on there, it looks like it belongs until you see what the other ones look like on there.
Right? It's crazy.
Like that just matches up so good.
Dude, what do we think? What are we thinking?
That was pretty bad.
Oh, dude, it's it. I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, that looks really good.
I'm freaking pumped, dude. I'm pumped. I'm ready to get this thing bolted on. I can't wait to freaking hear it.
One eternity later.
There was a couple hiccups though. A couple bolts, man, were a little bit of a pain in there. You know what? Freaking they look good. All right, Austin, I'm ready. Are you ready to hear this thing? Yeah. Dude. Woo! Yo, there it is. Brand new. 2 double Evo Captain Choice. That's it. That's it. 2. I'm telling you, 2, not 1, but 2. Captain's Choice full exhaust installs right here, done. Oh my God, that's bad. That's so sweet, dude. I'm digging it. So anyways, guys, we gotta freaking wrap it up tonight. We're gonna have to finish this tomorrow. We had a birthday party. We had a bunch of other things going on today. We were literally like in and out of this project. Like literally, what did we walk away from this thing? 3 times?
Yeah.
Had to go do something, then we had to come back. So, I mean, that's the way it goes sometimes. You gotta squeeze these things in. But, dude, I'm pumped to at least get them installed. And then tomorrow we're gonna come in here, we're gonna get them wired up, and we'll let you see. We'll just see what that's like, man, when it's freaking opened up and ready to rip. But we're gonna get some stuff cleaned up tonight, and then we're gonna head in, hang out with the fam, do some stuff. But hey, thanks for staying with us. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, share this, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with anybody that's interested in any of this stuff. And please don't forget to subscribe. I mean, this is what helps keeps this thing going. And you know, we love it. We love doing this, and we love that you guys freaking tune in and watch this stuff. And if you got any comments, comment, man. We love hearing it. We love talking back and forth with you. So we'll see you again here a little bit later tomorrow, and we'll get this thing wrapped up. All right, see ya. What's up, Aiden? How you doing? Are you good? Are you good? Yo, what's up? All right, we're back. I am back, actually. Austin is tied up today, so I think I'm gonna surprise him and go ahead and start running the wires to get this exhaust freaking ready to be able to be switchable. All right, so basically what I did is I reached up under the dash. I got my freaking button locked in, had the wires hanging down. What I did then is I grabbed the wire and I pulled, let me grab my flashlight. I pulled this grommet, that grommet out right there, and I fed the power cable and then the cable that's gonna go back to the exhaust through there. So what you'll have your power cable sitting right here, so you'll be able to basically plug this thing in here. I'll do that at the end once I get everything wired up, but that'll just attach right into there, my accessory and ground, no big deal. But I'm gonna take this cable here, which I brought through the firewall, and I'm gonna feed that thing all the way down there, which is eventually going to come into here. So I'm gonna bring that right through this freaking channel right in the middle of the razor. And one thing you're gonna make sure you don't wanna do, make sure you attach that, zip tie that thing across, you know, the factory harness that they got going back, and that's gonna make sure that that thing doesn't droop down, get tangled inside that drive shaft or something. I'll tell you what, that happens, you are going to be hating life, let me tell you. So don't do that. Zip tie the crap out of it. Can never put too many on there. So go ahead and do that. Then basically I'm gonna feed that thing through there, through the rear firewall, and boom. We'll end up back here. We'll bring it up. Follow everything else I've done before. Bam, right into there. And we'll be set. So actually pretty simple. All right, dudes. The freaking moment we've all been waiting for. I'm ready to freaking turn the key and let this thing breathe. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna set you guys back here so you can freaking hear this thing rip. Oh. Oh, dudes. Oh, dudes. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. Dude, that is freaking cool. I don't care what you guys think or anybody thinks. That is freaking cool. Oh, dude, it sounded so good. So freaking good. Oh, it's like Mild to Wild, man. I'm ready to freaking get out the trail. Oh, that's freaking exciting. All right, now let's pretend that we did not do that, and we'll act like we did that for the first time all over again when Austin gets here. Obviously, I'll walk him through the steps to basically do the exact same thing that we just did. If anything notable shows up or comes up while we're doing his, we'll definitely make sure you guys are aware of it. But dude, Evo, Captain's Choice exhaust, the baddest in the biz.
Hey,
Full pipe.
what?
What?
Fix the TV.
How? Yeah.
Went down to the little white power blocks.
Yeah.
Clicked off, on, click off, on. Boom, it works.
What was it?
I don't know. But it works.
That gives me more time to play with this.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude. So, anyways, before we were interrupted, like I was saying, amazing. This thing is badass. So, dude, Evo, I gotta say thanks to you guys, man. You guys freaking designed, developed, created a freaking phenomenal product. I am proud to freaking have this thing bolted up onto my machine. I know my son is, and I guarantee everyone else that has one of these is proud too. So, I don't know. With that being said, that's it. Evo, Captain's Choice exhaust. Look them guys up. They freaking got a ton of freaking products, man. You want to freaking, I mean, you want crazy horsepower, turbos, all that good stuff. I mean, look them up. They got everything. So, I don't know. Maybe the next thing will be charge tubes and blow off valves and all that stuff. I don't know. We're just slowly kind of stepping our way up in the game here with the tunes and all that stuff. So, who knows what might come next? I don't know. We'll freaking rock this for a little bit, but we will do some freaking draggies, and we'll let you know if it freaking did anything. Yeah, but anyways, I can't wait till Austin gets out here and checks this out. He's gonna crap his pants. But hey, see you guys. Like I said, please like the video, share it, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see more content. We're trying to drop stuff as often as we can. We're pretty busy, but we do try to get out here as often as we can. Like I said, we love this. This is like a true passion for us. We're not doing this for any other reason but the love for it. I mean, we do. Anytime we're not in the trail, we're itching to get out in the trail. Anytime we're not in the garage working on something, we're itching to get out here and work on something. So it's for real. And I don't know. We love it. So let's keep this thing going. But anyways, thanks a lot. We'll see you guys.
Yes.